حلقة النهاردة تبقى بالإنجليزي شوية ومعانا مستر فهد. Today our video will be in English. Okay, and we are welcome to Mr. Fahd because he is with us in the first video on our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is Reality Engineering. Okay, speaking about any topic in related to engineering. Okay,
Yes.
and the first part of the important part in our side safety. Safety. So you are here.
Yes.
Okay. I need to choose one topic we can discuss with us.
Yes.
One topic.
First of all, thank you so much for inviting me
You can say.
to this wonderful forum of yours.
Okay.
So we will be discussing today
Hmm.
about types of JSA in ADNOC.
Okay. What's the meaning of JSA?
JSA is job safety analysis. Yani if we are doing any activity, if
Yes.
we want to perform any activity,
Yeah.
first of all, we have to make sure that that what hazards
Okay. And
that
who will
will
be
be
have responsible for
having.
that hazard?
Yes,
Yeah.
that will be having.
Yes.
First, we need to identify that hazards.
Okay.
Then we need to give its control measures to prevent the risk of injury,
Yes.
prevent any accident
Hmm.
or accident.
Give me an example.
Example.
Yeah.
Okay. If suppose we want to do any excavation activity,
Okay.
okay, there are many hazards involved in excavation,
Yes.
like
Line of
damage
fire.
to underground services,
Maybe. Okay.
line of fire,
Yes. Fall from
and
height.
biological hazards,
Yes.
work from height, release of toxic gases,
Yes.
water
Where is the
accumulation.
hazardous? Because we are come here because you are. I don't. Okay. Where is the hazardous? Because we are working in desert. Okay.
So I was discussing
And
about
we have toxic gas. Because
Sorry?
maybe toxic gas.
yes, release of toxic gas.
Yes. Because we
That
are.
might be possible.
Maybe excavation will be more than 1.5, 1.2. So we will talk after that video about confined space. Okay, what the meaning of confined space? But inshallah will be the next video. Okay, now we know about the hazards for excavation. What's the next step?
Now we have identified the hazards.
Okay,
Then we need to implement now.
Mhm.
Before we need to make sure that what are the control measures that we are going to implement
okay.
to reduce the risk of injury.
Yes.
Because we cannot make risk, we
Yes.
cannot reduce the risk to zero level. It's not possible.
Okay.
What we can do, reduce the risk to an acceptable
We
level.
need to manage.
Acceptable level. Yes. I will give you an example.
Hmm.
You are riding a vehicle. You are going on a vehicle.
Yeah.
You have taken 100% safety measures.
Okay.
You are following safety rules.
Mm.
You are driving belt, seat belt.
Yes.
Okay. You are maintaining speed limit.
Mm.
You have make sure that your vehicle is well
Okay.
inspected.
Mm.
Have everything.
Okay.
Okay. Oil and everything. You have checked everything.
Yes.
There's no leakage. Everything is fine.
Okay.
You are going on road.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are following safety.
For safety.
You are following safety protocols.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
But still, can you be sure that accident will not happen?
No.
Right?
No.
So this is what my example is.
Yes.
That you can reduce the risk to an acceptable level, but you
Mm.
cannot make it to zero.
Yes.
Accident still can happen.
Mm.
But we have to make sure that accident should not happen to such a level where the injury is very high.
Yeah.
Where it can damage to the injury should not be that much high that it is reversible.
Okay. So JSA for any activity, it's explained for me the hazards and how I can to measure or how I can to manage that hazard. Okay. To me, to make the hazards now
Control it.
reduce
Yeah.
the hazard.
In acceptable level.
Okay. Then I am inside.
Okay.
Okay. And I have hazards and I know the precautions for the hazards to prevent the hazards. Okay.
Okay.
How to reduce.
Mm.
Okay. I need to know who will be the responsibility, okay, for to implement everything in FRA, in JSA.
The responsible person must
Yeah.
be the site in charge engineer
Okay.
and also HSC engineer.
Okay.
Will sit together,
Okay.
do the risk analysis,
Okay.
identify the hazard,
Yeah.
give it control measure. They both will sit together, discuss, and will implement. Our job, and then they will going to get this approval from ADNOC, send it to ADNOC.
Now we need to know what are the components for GSA and what the types of GSA, Mustafa.
In ADNOC,
Okay.
there are 3 types of JSA.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
JSA level 1,
Okay.
JSA level 2,
Okay. We need to speak.
and FRA, formal risk assessment.
Okay. What's the component for what components?
In formal risk assessment, we have the activity. What is the
Okay.
activity mentioned?
Yes.
Then we
For
have-
example, excavation.
Hmm?
For example,
I'll
excavation.
show you
Okay.
here. In JSA, like in FRA,
Okay.
first it's mentioned work step.
Okay.
Then what will be its hazards?
Okay.
Related to
Okay.
the
Hazards.
activity.
Okay.
Hazard will be mentioned. Then we have to give its control measures.
Okay. Okay.
What control measures we will take
Hmm.
to eliminate the
Yeah.
hazards.
Yeah. So I
Or
have
to reduce
hazards.
the hazard. Yes.
So I have hazards,
Hmm.
and they give you how you can prevent the hazards.
Yes, correct. Yes. Then required controls,
Okay.
as I discussed earlier.
Okay.
Then who will be the responsible party to implement that
Okay.
controls?
Okay. That's the record.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like suppose job performer,
Okay.
site
At
engineer.
first, job perform.
Yes, at first job performer and
Yes.
HSC officer.
Okay.
Then comes the site engineer and HSC and supervisor.
Supervisor. Okay. Today we finish about GSA, okay, types and components, okay, and we will finish now because we still need to make a call. And next video, inshallah, we will speak about anything in safety, okay, maybe confined space, maybe anything. Okay, Mustafa, you are يعني very welcome to be with me in our small channel, okay, and next video
It was nice talking to you.
yeah
It was nice to be a part of this show.
تستر بعد والله. ان شاء الله الفيديو الجاي باذن الله هنتكلم عن حاجه كويسه جدا ان شاء الله في السيفتي. ان شاء الله تابعونا الفتره الجايه يكون في حاجات جديده ان شاء الله. ان شاء الله next time we will talk about more topics in safety. So follow us and make subscriber. السلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.